Hey y'all, it's Terry with Sisterhood of the Traveling Brush, and I thought I would share a little bit today of the staining over the paint on the bathroom cabinets. Right now I have them painted a creamy yellow color from Sherwin-Williams Caen, C-A-E-N, let's see what that says, I'll tell you. Caen Stone. And I have Dixie Belle No Pain Gel Stain in Walnut. And I just got a bowl to put some of this in. I've got some old t-shirts and some chip brushes, a couple of old t-shirts and some scissors to cut up to wipe it off with. But I'm wanting this to be pretty dark. So I'm going to leave it on here for about 10 minutes once I get it on. I'm going to use the small chip brush to go, like around the edges, the rails and the stiles, which is what that's called. And then I'm going to use the larger chip brush to go over the larger areas because I do want it to be a little more smooth. And I do want some of the yellowish color to show through and not be as dark as some of the others. So that's the plan, and I'm going to try to stick to it in a paper bowl because this stuff's thick. Well, it's sort of thick, like pudding. Let's see. I think I want the inner areas to be the darkest, so we're going to do them first. I've taped off around the edges of the cabinets at the wall area. And I'm not worrying about the countertop here because it's going to be painted here in a few days. And it's okay if my gel goes a little bit over some of these corners where I'm going to want that darker at too. So, but I will, like I said, pull these out and get these little areas. I want plenty to go in these crevices of the panels of the door. Because that will need to be my darkest area. This is a 3-inch. Okay, putting some here. Oh, it's still doing. Not like I need. But see how that's sort of smudging through there? That's going to give it a little bit, I need to get close to be able to see it, a little bit of a sort of a wood panel look, as if this were boards through here. And I'll do the same to the drawer. So when I start to wipe this off, it's of course gonna go over everything, but it's gonna have stained in the areas where I have it darker, longer. So it'll be darker there. In any area, if I miss one of these sides or something, jacking my jaws instead of paying attention, it will even out in the end as well. So I'm going to continue this process on these other doors, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'll come back on and video. Hi, I'm back. This has been sitting here 10 minutes or a little longer. I have cut up the t-shirt. I've got a sort of a garbage box here to throw these rags in as they go. And I'm going to do the fronts first and then worry about the inside part. So let's see what's going to happen. I may have let it dry a little bit too long. But I definitely like the streaky look I'm getting. Can you see that good? Yeah. Trying to come back off that. Okay. Because that's drying so fast, I'm going to go ahead and remove the top layer off of the next ones because they will be beside each other. I will post pictures of this later whenever it's all done. But I'm going to go back now, open all these doors, get the inner areas and all that. But I'll see you in the next video.